Okay, today what I'll be doing is demonstrating how to construct a line tangent to a circle through a point not on or inside of that circle. We'll start by constructing a circle by clicking on the circle tool in our toolbar, clicking in our drawing space and dragging out to determine the radius of our circle. Next, we will create a point. This point should be outside of the circle. And it is through this point which we'll create a line tangent to this circle. We will label this circle A and this point B. Next, we will create a segment from A to B and then construct its midpoint. To do that, we want to make sure that the segment is selected, and then under the Construct pull-down menu, we want to select midpoint. Now that we have our midpoint selected, we can create a new circle at this midpoint with diameter AB. Now, what we have done is created 2 points of intersection here and here. We will label these points C and D. Now, we're actually going to utilize a theorem of geometry that states that an inscribed angle, an angle inscribed a semicircle is equal to 90 degrees. So we'll construct these diameters, radii, and then we can construct line BC and line BD. From our theorem, we know that angle ACB is 90 degrees, which means that radii AC and AD are both perpendicular, respectively, to lines BC and BD. And as you know, a line that is perpendicular to a radius of a circle is tangent to that circle. So we have created 2 lines through point B tangent to circle A. Now, constructing tangent lines is very useful in geometric construction. So to make this whole process faster, what we can do is create our own custom tool. So in our custom tool, we're not necessarily going to want these 2 segments, so we'll delete those, but highlight everything else. Now, we'll go over here to our toolbox and click on Create New Tool and name it something like Tangent Lines. Now, Geometry Sketchpad knows what object was created first and how other objects in our drawing are related to that original object. So, if we were to delete all of these objects, and utilize our brand new tool, Tangent Lines, it would first instruct us to create a circle. And then, as we pull away from the circle, the point that we're now creating is the point through which we want to create tangent lines to. So, clicking anywhere, we now have the exact same construction that we had before with only 3 clicks. So there you have it, tangent lines to a circle and creating custom tools.